Okay, so I know that it's currently June, but here is our May box. So let's just dive right in.
Ooh, I'm about to.
Freshly unopened box.
Weirdo.
It's right there.
Is that how you open?
So, Sephora, Played by Sephora box is a monthly subscription for $10 a month. It comes with 5 personalized beauty products and 1 bonus product. It's a foil packet. It's $10 a month plus tax, or whatever your tax is wherever you are. And yeah, let's open it up.
She's actually wearing the lip gloss from the last one.
Oh yeah, it's an Urban Decay, but I forgot exactly. But I got this one in the last box, this lip gloss. Okay, so this is what the box looks like when you open it. And they're all themed, and it comes with this. Also, you get the 50 Beauty Insider points with every box at Sephora. So the May theme is beauty goals, and it comes with this, and I'm not gonna look at it yet, but it tells you all about the products.
Oh, it has a little
Beauty goals then versus now.
It's like a, what are those things?
We're gonna look at it after, but she's gonna hold on to that, so if I don't understand a product, she can tell me.
Like last time.
Yeah,
That's a cute bag this time.
Yeah, they all come in a drawstring bag. This one just says Play by Sephora, but it's super, super cute. Feels like a shoelace going through it, but I actually like this one better than the last one. What did I say it was?
Beauty goals.
Beauty goals
May
is the theme.
2018 beauty
Okay,
goals.
first one.
Oh!
Pore Professional Pore Primer. I feel like I've had this
You have?
like in the past, like a long time ago. Not from this box.
No, but you've had.
So, it's Pore Professional from Benefit. So, that's what it looks like. Targets pores, fine lines, makeup meltdown. So it's just a primer aimed at smoothing out your pores.
That's
Cool. All right, I'm gonna try. I actually have been using the primer that I got in the last box, which is also aimed at smoothing out your pores. So they're very similar products. I actually have it on now, but it's 2 different brands. Okay, my turn. What's this?
Ooh!
Dry shampoo. Detox dry shampoo.
Do you use dry shampoo?
I do. I actually use an Aveda dry shampoo right now.
Oh, yeah.
But I will try this one.
That's cute.
Dry shampoo is actually really good for if your hair is too clean too, as well as dirty. If it's so clean that it just doesn't want to do anything other than lay flat.
Perks of working at a hair
So this
salon.
is by Dry Bar. It's a dry shampoo.
It's cute.
Yeah, it looks like a little deodorant. I said that last time.
When I saw
About something.
when I saw it in the
Foil packet. So, so this is the foil packet. It is Black Opium by Yves Saint Laurent. Let's see what it is.
it's cute.
Dang, that's tiny. Holy crap. It's perfume.
Yeah.
Oh, they used to give, I read that they used to give perfumes and then it became foil packets. So this is a perfume in a foil packet. I guess it is a perfume instead of a foil packet.
Yeah.
Oh, open it.
An intoxicating and invigorating blend featuring notes of high energy coffee, seductive vanilla, and sweet white flower. Hint, crack open the vial. You won't break it. The unique liquid is made to flip upside down to close it back up.
Oh.
You're welcome.
Oh, and then that's how you close it?
Mm-hmm.
That's a little bit weird, but.
I mean, he's rich. Mmm. That smells good.
Yeah.
I like that.
And you just. I don't feel like this is the right way to.
JC!
There's still like half of it left. Oh my god. I don't feel like that was the right way to open. Okay. Well, the packaging is Definitely not convenient. What is this?
Oh, I saw that.
Sephora Mud Mask, purifying and mattifying. Yeah, okay. So it's a mud mask. Ooh, you get a lot in there.
You
I just wanted to smell it. You want to smell it?
All I smell is the perfume.
You get like a lot. How much is it? It should say 0.33 fluid ounces. I feel like I could get like three, maybe four masks out of this.
When you were smelling it almost went on your septum.
I forget I have that sometimes. I'm excited to try this mud mask. I did one of those peel-off masks once. Would not recommend. I don't hurts. Next one. Tattoo liner. Waterproof liquid eyeliner.
Oh, liquid. Oh, it's the one where you take the cap. Okay, that's cute.
So I will say, clearly I'm not much of an eyeliner user. However,
she's not much of an eye person.
I would like to be. And I put that. They're not going against what I entered on whenever I took the little survey thing and told them what kind of products I like. I put that I like eye products because I would like to watch some tutorials, and
she's trying.
I would like to.
She's been better.
Yeah, so this.
That's cute.
It's Kat Von D. Ooh, fancy.
Do you remember when I said Kat Von D? And I was like, oh, I remember the K.
Kat Von D, I hear is like a really good brand.
It is. It's a good brand.
Okay. I've actually used the Kat Von D foundation before, and I really liked it. I'm gonna try. Last product.
And wabam. Whoa.
Marc Jacobs. I feel like this is lipstick. No, it's mascara.
I feel like, look at the perfume.
This time it really was perfume.
The last one was lip gloss.
Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara.
Noir is black and French.
Clearly.
I just wanted to feel smart.
Tin Noir. Okay. I'm gonna open it.
I love that sound.
And I actually love mascara. And the one I'm using right now I don't care for, but I paid for it, so I'm gonna continue to use it. But now I'm actually super excited. These eye products are my favorite products. Even though I don't really do the eyeliner, I'm gonna try, and I'm really excited I got this one because I feel like it's gonna be a really good one. So these are my favorite items out of this. The perfumes smell good, but
she spills it on herself.
Not packaged very well.
It is packaged weird.
It's very weird. So I'm excited. I'm also excited about this mud mask. I might try it tonight, actually.
This month marks 2 years of Play by Sephora.
Oh,
last month.
Happy anniversary, Sephora. In May, even though it's June. So I'm actually, I like this box better than the last box.
Yeah. So last month made 2 years of Play by Sephora, and to celebrate, they have compiled the beauty products that have stood the test of time with their incredible formulas and cult followings.
Cult followings?
That's what it says.
Okay, so now I can show you on the paper that comes in the box. It shows you all the products and tells you about them, and even tells you how to use them. So it explains why it's a classic and tells you how to use them. And
tells you how to open perfume samples.
Yeah, it even tells you how to open the perfume sample because
it's not packaged like normal.
This side is all about the theme of the month. So it just, so the skincare we got was the mask. So it just says then and now.
That's what I said, JC.
Yeah, but it has then and now for each product. So yeah, I like this box. I was happy with I was happy with April's box, and May's box I like even more.
We're gonna do June on time, we promise.
Yeah, so there is May's box and June. So, actually, I started a beta 2 weeks from today. So the next box, The next video will probably be my Aveda video.
Keep your eye out. One of them is going to be an unboxing of Aveda or Sephora. Just look for the title.
Yeah. And that's our May box. So if you're watching this on my channel, you can go subscribe to hers. It's Kamryn's Vlogs. It'll be in the description along with all of our social media.
And if you're watching this on my channel, go subscribe to hers. It's JC Petty.
Because Petty is our last name. Give me a P. Give me an E. Give me a tweet.
Why? I'm petty all the time. Bye. Sally Hansen.
Moving on to another dear designer to all of us, unfortunately passed away,
Yves Saint Laurent.
Yves Saint Laurent. Yves Saint Laurent.
Yves
And again,
Saint
and
Laurent.
it's, well, actually this is a tricky one because it's Y-V-E-S, so it's Yves, and then it's Saint, S-A-I-N-T, and then it's Laurent, L-A-U-R.
So it's Yves. Yves Saint Laurent.
Yves Saint Laurent.
Okay. Because
We're
petty.
petty.
You said we're petty.
Yes, I said
Because petty is our last name.
Oh!
Because we're petty.
I was ready because we're petty all the time.
No. Because petty is yeah. Anyway, so this is how to use the products. And then on this side, it's just all about the
Comic strips. I couldn't remember.
the last one wasn't a comic strip. But yeah, this side's all about the
How to use the product?
no.
You can use it for.
Ooh.
Okay, you need to stop.
Stupid. If you're watching this on my what's it called? A channel. Okay. So if you're watching this on my channel, you can go follow Kamryn's. It's Kamryn's Vlogs, and it's gonna be in the description along with all of our social media.
And if you're watching this on my channel, go.
I said follow. It's subscribe. I don't want to
subscribe.
Okay.